Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into another valuable tool for business and individuals alike, our Verify IP address service. This tool is particularly useful for identifying potential fraud, ensuring compliance, and protecting your business from cyber threats. Whether you're an e-commerce business owner or a cybersecurity professional, or anyone managing online session, verifying IP address can give you critical insight and added peace of mind. Before we begin, let's talk about why verifying an IP address is important. IP addresses can reveal the location of the user, detect potential proxy or VPN usage, and provide insights on the authenticity of an online interaction. These details help you to make informed decisions and mitigate risk in your digital operations. Let's get started by visiting searchbug.com. On the homepage, navigate the Verify IP address section under the Lookup tabs. Next, enter the IP address you wish to verify in the search field. Once you enter the information, click the search button to proceed. After the search is complete, you'll receive a detailed report. This report includes the geographic location of the IP address, including city, state, and country, the internet service provider, and the organization associated with the IP, whether the IP is flagged as proxy, VPN, or a data center. Additional details about the IP type and its usage category. These insights are incredibly valuable for detecting fraudulent activities, identifying suspicious access, and ensuring your system is remain secure. Regularly verifying every address can significantly improve your fraud prevention strategies, enhance compliance efforts, and protect your online assets. It's a small step that can save you from a big problem down the line.